Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a top 5 Stern Pinball list. These top 5 games, I absolutely love them. They're just the best pinball machines Stern has ever made. So let's just start with number 5. Number 5 on my top 5 Stern pinball list is Jurassic Park Limited Edition with that green armor. That game looks amazing. The music is just, all those memories from 1993. We all love the music in that game. It's a Keith Elwin game. Amazing design, 4 ramps, 3 flippers, awesome tower shot. I love that feel-good shot. That's just wow, man. Keith Elwin, he is just the combo king. I love all those combo shots, shooting the right ramp with the left flipper, and then it goes up and feeds to the right flipper, and you can make upper right flipper, and you can make that tower shot I was talking about. It's great. It has got a raptor cage. It's just pure awesomeness the way you shoot that raptor and the ball come out from the left side. Love it. It has got this gigantic T-Rex that grabs the ball and throws it around on the playfield. Wow, man. It's just, I love to play that game. So Jurassic Park Limited Edition comes in at number 5. At number 4, I mean, this game is amazing. It's the Star Trek Limited Edition, designed by my man Steve Ritchie. This game has got amazing ramp shots. It has got no stop. It's just combo. It's ramps, almost all the time. I mean, when you destroy that big spaceship at the backside, then you have got, a few seconds where the ball stops. But other than that, it's just pure awesomeness. It's lasers, it's aliens, it's spaceships, it's 3 flippers. It has got the best loop upper right flipper loop combo shot. It's amazing. It has got an amazing bash chart. Love the way it explodes and the spaceship just crashes on that playfield. It has got 18 different modes. So much depth, and in those modes with the newest code update, this game has got great code, and you can collect medals. You can go 18 deep. It's just an incredible journey every time. I love the combo shots, I love the music, and I love the call outs. Wow, man, the call outs are just amazing. This was just back then when Stern, when they make a limited edition, they just included everything. The Star Trek Ellie is maybe one of their most pumped up limited edition pinball machine. It still holds the value with all those lasers and everything going on. It's a fun game. It's an awesome game. If you like the series that J.J. Abrams created, you will love this pinball. So Stern Star Trek Limited Edition comes in at number 4 on my top 5 Stern list.
And then you got
coming in at number 3, The Walking Dead Limited Edition by John Borg. Usually I'm not the biggest John Borg fan, but The Walking Dead, first of all, I have watched all seasons. Love them. I love watching Walking Dead. It's pure awesomeness. This game has got 2 flippers. It has got 3 bash choice. If you're into bash choice, this game is the S. It has got great ramp shots. It has got magnets. It has got zombies, creepy music, killing walkers, killing spree, zombie prison buildings, prison zombie, a crossbow, walker bombs. But everything aside, the code in this game. Yet John Borg is the designer, but the coder of this game is, I'm such a fan. Code is just everything on this game, guys. This game has got so deep rule set, so amazing rule set. This is one of the best games you can have in your home. Is it a hard game? Yes. Can it be a bricky game sometimes? Yes. When you make the ramps, amazing feeling. When you miss the ramps, high possibility that the ball will drain. But it is what it is. In a home collection, you can play in a dark room, get this creepy audio package, and if you don't like Stern's audio package, you can actually update it with great audio packages out there that will give amazing callouts, amazing music, and make this game even better. So it is on my top 5 as number 3. Yes, but I mean, it's so close to be number 1, because sometimes when you have great games on this Walking Dead limited edition, guys, sometimes it feels like the best pinball experience, guys. But I have to put it at number 3 because number 2 and number 1 are just better. Iron Maiden is an amazing pinball machine. It comes in at number 2 on my top 5 list. I mean, it's the second best Stern game ever made. I mean, Iron Maiden, of course you have to like the music. I love the music. I mean, I was a little kid when I joined the gym. I think I was 12 years old. I watched Predator and I was just, I have to work out. I was 12 years old. I couldn't get a membership because I was too young back then, but I knew some of those big guys and they said, yeah man, come inside. So I went in there as a little kid and they were just listening to Iron Maiden all the time and, you know, Metallica, AC/DC. So I just grew up with the Iron Maiden music. I love that flipper. So many memories, and this is just a Keith Elwin masterpiece. His first pinball machine at Stern. It has got 4 flippers. Those 4 flippers give you so much control, so many shots, so much gameplay, enjoyability, man. I mean, you have got Iron Maiden music playing in the background. You have mummies. You have great metal ramps. You have got amazing rule set. Lift ram. You shot under the ramp. You have combo shots over and over and over again. I know that the Star Trek upper right flipper has got the greatest Warp 1, Warp 2 shot, but guys, Iron Maiden, it has got almost the same upper right flipper shot loop, and it has got a little flipper on the left side, upper left. Just play that game. I have only played the limited edition. I don't know how the Pro is, but the LE of Iron Maiden, I mean, combo shots everywhere, over and over again. And this game is the loop king. You can loop. It's fast. It's great. It has got extremely satisfying, flowy shots. So Iron Maiden, it's number 2, but I mean, it's so close to number 1. Okay, it's so close. Sometimes I would say this one was number 1, but right now it's another pin. But I mean, Stern Iron Maiden limited edition. If you have the opportunity to buy it, buy it. You will love that pin. This is Keith Elwin Stern game. This is a masterpiece. I love this pin. I love everything about it. Wow, man. Yeah, number 2, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the best Stern pinball you can buy, you can own, you can play, you can have fun with. Number 1, Deadpool limited edition. Deadpool by George Gomez. Georgie, he did it again. I mean, George Gomez he also made, games like Monster Bash, Johnny Mnemonic, Lord of the Rings. I mean, I love that guy. Deadpool, at first look, it looks empty, but when you start playing that game is fun. It's just fun. Like Mr. Stern always says, pinball is just fun, okay? And it's such a fun pinball machine. It's such a great shooter. I love the music. For me, audio package is just almost everything in a pinball machine. High volume, I love the music. I played the limited edition like crazy. So the music is amazing. The callouts in Deadpool limited edition is even better. I mean, it has got the best audio in pinball machine. Best audio package, okay? It's just pure fun. The callouts will make you laugh. It has got 400 different callouts. It's pure fun. It has got a big katana sword on the playfield, man, and you will lock on that katana sword. It's such a feel-good shot when that lock works. It has got 16-bit animations. I love playing retro computers, and when I look at that back glass, looking at the 16-bit animations, I love that. It has got the 80s arcade game sound effects and music. And with, all that 80s music in the background and with the greatest lock shot, it's just feel good everywhere. It has got amazing but simple rule set. Everybody will understand what to do on this game. Some of these new games, everything blinks. Every insert blinks in different colors, and you're like, when you start multi-ball, you will have 5 different shots. All 5 of them are jackpots. It's just, oh my god, I love the rule sets from the Bella Williams times. You have to work to get a multi-ball, and when you have the multi-ball, you have got this hard shot, one shot that blinks, that will give you the jackpot, okay? And when you do that, you will have that satisfying feeling. Some of these Stern pinball machines, they're just, I don't want to mention no software programmer's name now, but everything is just lit and in different colors, and you can multiply your oh man. But on Deadpool limited edition, it's so simple. You start a mode, you have to hit 3 shots on that mode and then shoot the scoop, and you got that mode. You fight against what's that guy with the great suit, I don't remember his name, but you have to shoot down the 8 drop down targets on the sides a couple of times, and when his energy is down to 0, you just shoot the scoop, and you have you're through that mode. It's so simple, it's so understandable. Everybody will have fun. My 10-year-old son, when he turns on that game, he has a blast, and always 5 days after playing, he can say, somebody hit the boom button. So yeah, man, I love that game. I love that spinning 80s disco lamp with disco music and chimichanga, and oh my god. I haven't played the Pro model because I don't like the idea of having stand-ups on the side instead of the drop-downs, because I don't like it on the AC/DC Pro. It just destroys everything. So yeah, only tried the limited edition, and I am saying, man, I'm just telling you, Deadpool limited edition premium, it's just pure fun. Music is great. When I play, the audio is just at maximum level, okay? Everybody can hear me play, okay? So great music, amazing callouts. The shots are all makeable shots. I love the orbit shots. I love that mini Deadpool, the drop down at the front, so you can drop those 3 down and lock the ball inside there. The left ram is fast, really nice. Under the left ram, it has got a little laughable loop. I don't know what that is for. Yeah, it is what it is. But after there, we have got the scoop shot, which is nice. Up to the pop bomber, which is nice. Yeah, the drop down targets. And we have got the best ball lock shot. We have got great artwork, and in the beginning I was like, what? No movie assets? But I like it as it is, with unicorns, and so much fun when playing this game. This is absolutely the number one. Yes, Walking Dead could be it. Iron Maiden could be it. But Deadpool wins because of the humor, the lightness, the light humor, the fun colors, the 80s, the 90s, the 16-bit. It hits all the right things in my body, because I'm a very late 80s 90s kid. I'm a 90s kid, and everything 90s, I love it. Okay, so this pinball, when you first look at it, maybe it feels empty, but give it a go, man. All the shots are amazing on this pin. When I say empty, it feels flat. They're not, very high ram shots that goes up to the glass, or nothing like that. It feels pretty flat layout, but wow, I mean, I haven't been through all the modes yet, but man, it has got that one more try, one more game feeling. It's such a nice pin, guys. We have got some honorable mentions, yes, but I could go in and say Turtles is fun. But maybe I will someday make a top 10 list and put in some more games. But as of right now, summer 2021, this is my top 5 game list. And go ahead and try this game. You will love them, and maybe you will buy them. You won't regret it. So, Stern, thank you for making these masterpieces. All of them. All 5 Stern games that I mentioned here on that top 5 list. They're all amazing, fun pinball machines. All of them. So go ahead and try them out, okay? Thank you for listening. I want to listen to you or read your comments on the comments down below. How close is my top 5 list to your Stern top 5 list, and why? And why not? What do you like about it? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I want to read your comments, guys. That's just so much fun for me. So thank you for listening. Thank you for all your support. And thank you for my supporters at Patreon. Thank you, guys. It's just so much joy and happiness. I'm a happy guy, and I hope you will be happy after listening to this and thinking about, that number 5 Jurassic Park by Keith Elwin. Maybe I should give it a chance, man. Maybe I should look up that green armored LED machine. Maybe it's as good as Retro Django says. I'll give it a try. Give it a try! Come on, do it! Have a great day out there. Bye!